How to set up cold turkey blocker. Are distractions getting in the way of your study time? If you want to focus better and manage your study sessions effectively, cold turkey blocker might be the tool for you. Let's walk through how to set it up step by step. First, you need to download and install the software. Head over to the official Cold Turkey Blocker website and download the application. The installation process is simple and will guide you through setting up the main program on your computer. Once the main app is installed, you will need to install browser extensions. Cold Turkey Blocker will prompt you to add extensions for any browsers you have, like Chrome, Edge, Brave, or Opera. These extensions are important because they enforce the blocking rules within your browsers. Make sure to install and enable all required extensions. If you disable or remove them during a block, your browser will close until you re-enable them. Now let's create a block. A block is a list of websites or applications you want to restrict access to while you study. You can create multiple blocks for different purposes. For instance, one block could restrict social media sites, while another could block entertainment or adult content. You can customize blocks by adding specific websites or entire categories. Next, customize your block settings. Within each block, you can set schedules for when the block is active. You can set a timer for how long the block lasts. You can also choose specific time ranges or recurring schedules, like weekdays from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. To prevent impulsive disabling, you can lock the block so it cannot be turned off until the timer expires. For stronger blocking, consider using advanced features. You can lock blocks with random passwords that you do not know. This makes it impossible to disable the block until the time runs out. You can also add window title blocks to prevent access to system settings or uninstall tools. Cold Turkey Blocker has a background service that can block applications beyond just websites. Once you have set up your blocks and schedules, it is time to start your block from the dashboard. During active blocks, if you try to access blocked sites, a pop-up message will appear. If you tamper with the extensions, your browser may close. This helps you focus by removing distractions during your study time. Finally, review your statistics and adjust as needed. Cold Turkey Blocker provides statistics on your blocking activity, allowing you to track how well you stick to your study schedule. Use this data to refine your blocks and schedules for better time management. Cold Turkey Blocker is a powerful tool for managing your study time effectively. By removing digital distractions, you can dedicate uninterrupted time to studying. Setting it up is straightforward and can significantly improve your focus and productivity.